Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Intuit TurboTax. First, select the TurboTax product that best fits your tax needs, whether it's for simple returns or more complex situations. Next, you'll create a new account or simply sign in if you're a returning user. Then, accurately choose your filing status, like single, married filing jointly, or head of household, to begin your tax journey smoothly. Before you begin, gather all essential tax documents. This includes your W-2 forms from every employer, showing your wages and taxes withheld. Don't forget any Form 1099s for investment income, interest, or contract work you performed. Also, collect receipts for potential deductions, such as medical expenses, student loan interest, or charitable contributions, to maximize your refund. Now, it's time to enter your financial information. TurboTax will guide you step by step, asking simple questions about your income, deductions, and credits. Be sure to answer each question carefully and input all data accurately. Once you've entered everything, take advantage of TurboTax's review feature to check for any potential errors or missed opportunities before moving forward. After a thorough review, you're ready to file your tax return. You can choose to e-file directly through TurboTax, which is the fastest and most secure method. If you owe taxes, you can pay electronically. If you're getting a refund, select direct deposit for quick access to your funds. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Congratulations, you've successfully filed your taxes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.